Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how I built all the chart I needed for my profit overview dashboard using Tableau Public, and I'm building from scratch. Okay, so what you're seeing here is like an assignment. I don't know if I call it an assignment or practice activity. As you can see, given to me by Coursera, so we can pause and read. First, we are going to open a new workbook and connect to my dataset. So this is how I'm doing it. You go to connect to data. It's a Microsoft Excel. It's an Excel file. So we're going to be using the Microsoft Excel. Click on the dataset, and this is what you're going to see. There are 3 sheets here. We're going to be using the order. So you drag it in the way I did this one. You're going to click on this sheet that is here to open up a new worksheet. And we are going to start by making a profit by state map by pulling in the states to details and the profits to color. We're going to see that it automatically gives us like the map that we want, right? But I want to change the color because I want my dashboard to be like blue. So I'm going to be changing the color. So you're going to see how I'm doing it. Okay, click on it, then change the color to blue. I don't know, I'm taking time here, sharp. Okay, change the color to blue because blue is the color of the dashboard I want to do. Click OK, and that is it. Next, we are going to fix the tooltips. The tooltips, fix it by removing the field labels. I remove the field labels of the first and second one. Then I'll center the values. First centering value will change the color to black if it's not black, but it's black already, so no need. Then you unbold the state, uncheck the include command button, and click OK. Next, we're going to change the number formatting of the sum of profits. We'll do that by right clicking, then you press format, choose your number and currency custom, and change the display unit to like 1000. Then I'm going to rename the tab to profit by state and save. I'm going to save this as Coursera Superstore profit overview project because that is what it is. Next, we're going to build the profit by segment pie chart. We're going to open up a new worksheet, change the marked card from automatic to pie. Drag in the profit to angle, label, and color. Like when drag the profit to label, drag the profit to angle and the profit to color. And when we're done, we'll change the view to entire view. And the next thing we're going to do is to drag segment to details and to label. Segment to details and segment to label. Okay. Next, we're going to fix the tooltips again, the same way we did the last one. Removing the field labels, centering it on board. And we're going to uncheck the include button. And this time, we're going to uncheck the show tooltips too. Then we'll rename the tab to profit by segment and save. We are going to be building our bar chart next, starting off with profit by category. So we're going to do that by opening a new sheet, double click on profit and category, and drag it into the row and column segment respectively. And the bar chart comes off automatically, as you can see. You change the view to entire view, you sort it by descending order. We're going to add the sum of profits to text or label. Remove the headers. Another important thing, remove the headers and hide the field labels. Then we're going to change the number formatting to 1000. Like number formatting, you go to currency custom, then change the display unit to 1000. Then we'll be removing the grid lines. Next, you click on the grid line, like you right click on it, you go to format, you click on the grid line, the grid icon, change everything there to none except for the 0 line. which you're going to change it into like a solid line instead. Next, we are going to make a true and false calculation to highlight the largest bar. And to do that, we are going to click on the drop down button and click on the first option, which is create calculated field. Then we'll call the calculated field top profit, put in the sum of profits, then make it equal to Windows Max, and you open your bracket and put the sum of profits, like writing a code. Sure you get, like writing a code. The calculation should be valid. Is it? Yeah, when you do it right, the calculation should be valid. So as you can see here, it's valid. So you click OK, and this is, then you drag the top profit to color. You can see now that it has highlighted the highest number there. It highlighted it to orange, but we're going to change it because I'm working on a blue dashboard, so I want like the one up to be blue and the false to be like brown. Then we are fixing our tooltip here, removing the field labels like we did the last time. You center it and you onboard the first one. You onboard the category and uncheck the include command button, then click OK. And we are going to rename the tab to profit by category and save. The next thing we're going to do is to create our subcategory by profit bar chart. To do that, we're going to duplicate our profit by category chart already, to make things easier for us. Then you drag our subcategory to the column, you sort by descending order. No need to change the tooltip, just rename the field to profit by subcategory and save. Let's do the line chart. We're going to open up a new sheet, right click and drag order ID to column. We are going to choose month order dates. Now we'll double click, or we're going to drag our profit to the row, which automatically creates like a line chart for us. Then we'll hide our headers, fix our tooltips as usual, the way we've been fixing it before. After hiding our headers, we'll fix our tooltips. You know how we do it now. You remove the field labels, center it, onboard the first option, and uncheck our include command button. Okay, next we'll remove our grid lines, just the way we did before. We'll change everything to none except for the zero line, which we are going to make a solid line. Then when we are done, okay, still doing that. Okay, now we're going to change I want to change our number formatting. We'll change our number formatting to thousands. We've been doing that before. Change the display to 1000. Then we rename the tab to as monthly profits and save. This one is not hard. Like this one's like, I don't know, that tough. Monthly profits, and we save. Now let's duplicate this sheet 3 more times to create other line chart we're going to be using for this dashboard. Next, we're going to use next we'll be using is monthly sales. We're going to pull in the sales to the row, and it's sales to the row. Okay, this is what we have. We'll hide our headers, hide the headers, change the number formatting like we've been doing before. Go to format, currency custom, change the display unit to 1000, rename the tab to monthly sales and save. Save as monthly sales. Next, we have monthly orders. We'll right click and drag order ID to the row. Right click and drag order ID to the row. We're going to check that. press OK. We'll remove the headers, keep the number formatting as it is because it's in the 100. So then all I have to do now is just rename and save. It's in the 100, no need to change it. It's the monthly quantity. We're going to drag our quantity to row, then remove the headers like we've been doing before, leave the number formatting as it is, rename and save. These ones are easy because it's in hundreds. Moving on to our KPI bands, we'll create a new sheet and build our total profits first. We'll drag our profits to text and change the number formatting to thousands. So now we just go to format, select currency custom, change the display unit to 1000. Then we'll change our view to entire view, edit the text. Now go to our text, click on that dot. Then we're going to edit the text by adding total points to below it and change the size. We're going to be using 26 for the sum of profits and 8 for the total points for total profits. Then you unbold the sum of profits and click OK. Change the adjustment to the center, then go to tooltips and uncheck the show tooltip and include command button. We'll uncheck those two things. Then rename the tab to total profits and save. Remaining, we duplicate this sheet 3 times, starting with total orders. We right click and drag order over the sum of profits and we'll choose cut ID, fix the number formatting, go to currency custom, change it to the 1000, edit the label and change the total orders to total order instead of total profit like it was the last time. Then click OK, rename and save. Next is our total sales. We'll drag sales over order ID. Then fix our number formatting. This time around to millions because as you can see the number is in millions, so you fix it to millions and edit the label. The label, you change it from total orders to total sales, then rename the tab and save. The last one should be total products sold. We'll drag our quantity over sum of sales, change the number formatting to the 1000 because 1000. Put our now format numbers, currency custom, change that to the thousands, edit the label, change that total sales to total products sold, then press OK, rename and save. And that is it. At this point I have all the visuals I need for my dashboard, the line charts, as you can see, our bar charts, our pie charts, everything we need. We have everything, our map, everything we need. So in my next video I'm going to be putting all of these, bringing them all together in a single interactive dashboard.